This tutorial will guide you how to find your Jellyfin server address. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. To connect to the Jellyfin server or to log in, you'll need the server address. Now make sure to follow the instructions. First, you'll need to set up the Jellyfin server. If you haven't yet set up the Jellyfin server, I'll put my video on the description on how to set up the Jellyfin server on Windows. So after set up your Jellyfin server, now here's what you need to do. Now on the system tray here, make sure the Jellyfin is running. You see it here. If it's not running, make sure to double click on the Jellyfin server. It shows here the Jellyfin tray application is already running. So click OK. Now open CMD by typing CMD on your PC that you have the Jellyfin server installed. Open the command prompt. Now type ipconfig just like this, and then click enter on your keyboard, and then look for the internet that you're using. If you're using wireless LAN adapter, which is Wi-Fi, check for the IPv4 address. If you're using Ethernet adapter, Ethernet, check for the IPv4 address shown here. Now I'm using the wireless, which is Wi-Fi, so I'll have to check for IPv4 address. Now the IPv4 address shown here, this is your server address. Now you can use it to log in. So let me show you. Come here, open the Jellyfin media player, or on your browser, just type like this. Type the server address followed by 2 dots and then 8096, just like an example that I show you. This is a server address followed by this, which is 2 dots 8096, and then click connect. You'll have to put your username and a password and then sign in. That's how you can find your Jellyfin server address. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.